So today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes. DJ ya ebetnes masa a dit ego ajili we're going to go with the instruction that's in today's Navajo Times, this week's Navajo Times. Ako di demo o lehiki biye be Navajo Times ai da kompaka ako di big eho ebetnes masa atadilni. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to gather all of our ingredients. Thse haishi be atadil niliki a atha atadilni. We are going to be using blue corn flour. Ako iyan choido intligi a nadato itligi akan do. We're going to be using flour akan a kosado. Let's see. We're going to be using sugar. We forgot sugar. We will get sugar. Sugar. We're going to be using milk, a bit of todo, water, Bizaad in baking powder, salt. We're going to use some salt, aro tohigi, cooking oil, aro kid we're going to be using eggs today. We are going to be using eggs. Ako asabi na danto akan do Bizaad in do ashi atcha ajili. Okay, so we're going to use half a cup of blue corn. Ako na danto akan a baha ijaha asnito asnito taya asni khates bino shinjini asni khates bino. Oh, is that too much? Oh, asni khates bino the shnina, yeah. Yep. Okay. So what's that lady's name who's always cooking with oil?
There's a lot of them.
Remember, she's like always like eating the butter. What is her name?
Good question. I remember.
Okay.
Martha Stewart.
No. Okay. So just half a cup of blue corn flour. That's what it says. Let's see. And they always say it comes out better when you don't really measure this stuff. So half in baking powder. How much baking powder? Oh, 2 teaspoons. Oko beshite yeje na kigo hade spino. Let's see. Where's teaspoons? Teaspoons. Okay. Beshite yeje na kigo hade spino. Nina. I really should have my own cooking show. I think if I'm having my own cooking show, I shouldn't be using instructions. So we mix it up. Well, mix it up really good. All right. Let's see. Aro nakigone. Slachigo asabi gone e beto todo atohegido ayeji askita hika. So the second step, we put in another container, milk, water, our cooking oil, and eggs. So milk, we're going to be using 1 3/4 cup. Cool. Aslado, Baha'ijaha Aslado, Hastaya, Biga Hades Bino. in a separate container. What's next? How much water? 1 cup of water. Okay, so water. Asla bah ija asla khades. Asla go khades benabiti ka. Pour in 1 cup of water. Cooking oil. Okay, so we need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So beshite inside asla go khades beno. Something like that. Ado ayenji. And kade besh sauce be ilna tsiki be tse. So we're gonna stir it with our whisk. We mix it all together really good. Okay, so so we're gonna pour this one into. We're gonna pour this into the milk. So we're gonna pour it in small increments. Okay, ako dingo na bakat ese bakagi apik iyadze. So we're gonna pour just a little bit of cooking oil. That's where you want it. Jeez, like I know. I wonder how much oil. Let me see. I think just a little bit, no, probably not a lot. I don't know, maybe a little more. Oh yeah, one more thing. I've never made this before. I have never made this before. So we'll see how it turns out. We'll see how it turns out. Let me see. Neezmásí behind Ijaha half go bakat ese bakat Yádeilti.
This is supposed to look like that.
That's sucky, huh? Maybe we need something flat, a flat pan. Should we get the flat ones from the other side?
Yeah.
Once it's cooked on one side, you flip it over. We're having a full breakfast this morning. Jared's making eggs. Jared, yeah, je ne go cook I see yeah, this is my cameraman.
This is Terry's first breakfast and first dinner in his house.
I know.
That he prepared.
Yep. With Jared's help.
With Jared's help.
Looks good.
This looks good. Hold on, listen to this peanut butter.
Lord, thank you for our food.
Amen. One more thing. If you want those ingredients, they're already printed in this week's Navajo Times.